Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and today I'm gonna be installing the OEM trunk spoiler, which I call it a bootleg 326 wing. Anyways, so I picked this up from one of my friends for $100, but I had the whole entire thing professionally repainted for around $370. So I spent nearly $500 in total for all of this. So yeah, it's completely paint matched. Everything is all good to go. Now it's just time for me to mount it onto the trunk, which I'm kind of scared because I have to drill directly into the trunk itself. But overall, it is OEM, so I'm not going to complain. So let's go ahead and get started. So what are we going to be doing first? Let's go ahead and just take off this, just disconnect the trunk light so it won't waste our battery, because we're going to have it open, because we're going to be taking off this fabric panel, which is only required by these clips right here, and then rubber mounts right here, and then make sure you don't damage this interior trunk lever as well. So we're gonna go ahead and just pry it off with the flathead. Should be easy.